Oh, mine's almost gone. And then top coat. So now if you want matte top coat, add matte on. If you want a shiny, go ahead and add the shinies on. And then we are going to add one. I really wanted to do a centerpiece, but you know what? Because it has the... Can I get a kit though? Whenever I tell you to get, then get it. Just don't. I'm gonna get some pink. It's okay, I have it right here. And then I'm go ahead and add this. This is the pink opal from the Kids Ultimate Crystal Kids #1, and then the super gorgeous like have a magentas from Kids #2. No, I need the different colors. I want the different colors for that one. Can you get me the different colors from the kit though?
Which color do you want?
Alright, so I have the Kids #1. I'm at this one.
Oh, that's nice.
Is that cute?
Mm-hmm.
And then, guess what I'm having? Right there. It's so cute. All right, so I'm gonna add some beads on. So basically, I get a frame from Crystal Kids Ultimate Crystal Kids #2. Either #2 and #1, you will never go wrong with this. If you have 2 of them, you was like, congratulations, you have 40 different colors for your SS to definitely to create thousands of design as you like and prefer. And it will definitely gonna give you a lot of ideas for crystal design, crystal placement. You never get anything, you will never go wrong with this. Never have to like stress about what color should I get, what colors. You have everything you need. Oh, come back. It's like it doesn't want to stay because I drop it. So now, if you don't want any beads on, you know what to do. You just like key it and then good to go. But if you are going to decide to like get some beads on, you can do just around here, or you can add more. I'm gonna add just a couple of this centerpiece piece there. Good. Happy with this? We're going to clear this beauty for 60 seconds. So adorable and different. Like absolutely springy.